Step 1. Wrap the floral wire starting at the base of the tree to the top, carefully pushing all branches in. Step 2. Bend the lemon cypress gently to get an overhang look. Step 3. Attach the ornament to the end of the wire at the top of the tree. Step 4. Wrap tinsel around the tree. Trim with wire cutters if there are leftovers. Step 5. Place lemon cypress in decorative pot. Step 6. Place moss in pot to cover dirt and base of tree. Step 7. Cut berry branches off of base stick. Insert into pot. Complete!